Today is the 19th of July 2023. Here's Tehtaankatu Fabriksgatan 16, stage B. But C doesn't have an elevator.
Yeah.
And A, does it have or not?
Yeah, not I think.
But we'll check status.
Yeah.
It's here in Ulanlinna Rikaspori, SKS Sports, Finland. And the elevator was added in 1934 here. I think this essentially dates back to maybe the 1910s, but we'll check that here later.
Yeah.
Status is very beautiful, look at that.
Yeah.
We best is 3%. Now 0SH1803. But it was upgraded in MP6 and the machine has been upgraded in the early 90s.
Yeah.
That's all right, so.
Yeah.
The base expected this year, 2023. The alarm bell is on the second floor, we can check it later.
Yeah. Tippaakin väiskyttää, että meidän eteenpäin pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
We can check the comments.
Yeah.
They probably said, yeah. No, it's Kone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's. Did you find the information when it was more like Kone or
No.
upgraded with Kone?
No, for some reason.
Maybe it could have been 1992 when we had some sort of clue, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be 1992.
Yeah.
I would like to check the alarm bell.
Yeah.
It's simple memory.
That's